When you go into a Zoom meeting or any video conference, like with Teams or something else, Google Meet, it can be a little bit like walking out on stage. You don't quite know what it is that you're going to be, who you're going to be meeting, what it is that you're going to be asked, and so it can be a little bit daunting. So there are some things that you can do to help prepare for that Zoom meeting to avoid some of that Zoom fatigue or the burnout that people often experience. Here's a short meeting checklist of some of the things that you can do before the meeting to make it a little bit more comfortable and to make you feel a little bit more in control. The first one is to make sure that your Zoom profile picture is up to date. And the reason for that is that if you turn off your camera, then your profile picture will usually come up. And so if you're seeing your profile picture and you're not really that happy with what you're seeing, it can be a little bit disorienting. So fix your profile picture, and if you just need to delete your old one, then you can do that. I'll include links in the video below on how to do each of those. Another one, really basic, is to check the time of the call. Now, this is really to save you that embarrassment or frustration of turning up late or being caught out, being flustered, and at the last minute somebody saying, "Oh, quick, we've got a call," or getting an alert or something like that. Really, really frustrating. So check the time of the call, especially if you are speaking to people in different time zones, because they may or be unaware that your time and their time are different. And so make sure you get your time zones correct. Check your mic and your camera. Make sure that they're all working okay, especially if you have changed your devices recently, if you are trying out some new headphones or a new mic or a new location or a new laptop or something like that, then check them ahead of time. Nice, easy thing to check. The next thing is, if you are the host or the guest, check your Zoom login details so that you know, once again, you're not doing that last minute rush. Can you send me the link, or where is the link, or searching through your inbox? Okay, have those login details handy. So that for Zoom, that's going to be the meeting ID and a passcode, but usually that will happen through a link. Somebody will give you a link and that should automatically log you in. Similarly, if you're dialing in by phone, then if you're using an international number, a Zoom international number, then have that phone number handy. Once again, check in the description for a link about that. And then also check what you have planned after the call, after the meeting. And the reason for that is that if you know that if you've got like back-to-back appointments, then you can mentally say, I know that I've got to finish at this time. If you're feeling a bit stressed about that, I've got another meeting straight afterwards, or I know I'm not going to be rushed, I've got plenty of time, something like that, it's good to know. It's a big, big help. There are some other things that you can check. You can check the agenda, check what it is that you're going to be talking about, and check who is going to be at the meeting and what are their roles. Ideally, if you get the chance, just review people's names, especially if their pronunciation is a little bit tricky, and those sort of things can really help you to be more in control when you join a Zoom meeting. Now, I've got some other tips on how to actually plan things during the meeting and what to do afterwards as well. But I'll just leave it here at this one for the moment, preparing for the meeting. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then write in the comment, what is your best preparation tip when you go into a video call, into a video meeting?